Well, good morning everybody. Jim here with Totally Relaxed again. Today I'm doing another test, only this time using the GoPro on my manual new gimbal. And I can already tell by looking at the screen that it is a lot more stable. Of course, you know, that's what GoPros are known for, their stabilization. But I got to thinking after I made that video and uploaded it, I was wondering if perhaps that heavy bag of garbage I was carrying in my left hand happened to affect the stabilization of the iPhone on this gimbal. So this morning I was talking to Felix with Happy Place Camping, and she said that could be possible, and that the fact that it was me that was unstable. Of course, as I told her, I know I'm unstable. I've known that for a million years. That gal cracks me up. Her and her husband Jesse both do. They're funny people. But anyway, let me turn around and go back to the house. I hope that sun don't blast into this lens right quick. But anyway, I just want to share this with you, and I'll go back in the house and put the iPhone back on here on this gimbal and do another test and see what happens. Then I'll show you all the results of both of them. Anyway, there's that word again. God, I hate doing repetition stuff. However, I might start using that word a lot. However, I'll talk to y'all on the next video. Bye now. Okay, I'm back now, and I have the iPhone on the gimbal now, and from what I can tell, and with the sun shining from behind me onto the screen, it looks like the stabilization is a little bit better than it was yesterday. But I think that's because I don't have that heavy bag of garbage in my left hand and causing me to walk different and all that. So let me turn around here and head back to the house again, and I just know that sun's gonna come blasting in on this screen. I just know it. Let me get over here and point in a different direction. Okay, I'm bound and compelled to get this right. If I can keep from using the HoHem motorized gimbal with my iPhone, that'll tickle me to no end, because like I said the other day, it's just got too many controls on it, and I haven't used it enough to really master them yet. So at any rate, let me go look at this video, and I'll get back with y'all later. Bye now.